For my microscope, I required a good light. So I buy an LED panel from the China market, but this panel has a side effect – strobe effect. Link to buy this LED panel you can find under this video in description. This is very bad for eyes, and in such light it is impossible to make video, for example. This video is about how I repair this strobe effect in LED lamp. Hello everyone, привет всем, and welcome back to very excited video blog. I had to disassemble this China LED panel. This panel is not grounded. It is very dangerous for your life. Also, there is a resistor what should discharge the missing capacitor. It has a varistor which is good and will protect against power impulse. A resistor what works as a fuse. Two LED drivers, current supply resistor for the driver, and diode bridge. Also, all diodes are connected two at a time. First I measured the output DC voltage. It is 191 voltage DC. I tried to find a description of the driver, but I could not find the datasheet for this driver. I found information for another driver. This does not mean what they are identical, but the principle of the device will be similar. My driver has a 4.7 ohm current supply resistor. Therefore, from the datasheet for another driver I could calculate the approximate values. Also, it was necessary to make attention that they are 12 volts diodes in my lamp, because in this datasheet diodes voltage is less. 0.6 divided to 4.7 equal 128 milliamps. This is at the border of normal LED operation. Also, a lot of thermal energy is released, I mean power, and the case does not have any kind of radiators for cooling. Therefore, I replaced them with 10 ohms resistor, then 15 ohms, and finally I was installed 20 ohm. 20 ohms was acceptable for me, because I did not want to install additional cooling for this LED panel. Next, I need to install a capacitor which will increase the voltage. Therefore, it must be 400, maybe 450 volts capacitor. Dismounted the capacitor from the old TV board at 40 microfarads. That's a lot for this driver. I think 5, maybe 10 microfarads should be enough. Since the capacitor is too large, I move it to the back of the LED panel and insulate the contacts. After assembly, I can install a LED panel, and as you can see, the strobe effect disappeared. Best way to say thank you to the after is to share this video with your friends. I will hope to see you next time.